Khmelnitsky city, a cathedral of the protection of the Mother of God. In 1824 here was a Christian cemetery, and here was also erected a small church at the cemetery. But at the beginning of 20th century the cemetery was closed because here was already almost the center of the town, of the city. But the church itself existed until 1938, when it was destroyed due to poor technical conditions. Already nowadays here was a reconstruction of this church, but instead of small church there was erected a very large cathedral. Its consecration took place on January 1990.